Viva Las Vegas! Viva Las Vegas!
Hello everyone, Captain Billy J here without the Captain's hat, but today I'm going to give you a room tour here at the Horseshoe Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada, here in the resort tower on the 12th floor. This is room 1262A. So let's go inside. It's a nice door here, key entry. So walk in, let's go to the right. Over here is the bathroom area. This is where your safe is. You also have your luggage rack, hangers, iron board, shelving. To your left, a mirror below. Do your makeup, I guess, in this room. And then let's go into the bathroom. So, toileting area. I've already been in here once. Sink area, got some Kleenex. Got some amenities, got conditioner, shampoo, body lotion, facial soap, and body soap. Got hair dryer, extra toilet paper, some towels. And over here is the shower. So, nice little shower. It's the permanent shower head fixture there. Towels, just standard shower. Privacy on the door. Right, here we have the bathroom. This is a connecting room, so not only does it connect here, so there's a connecting door here, but as we go into the room, there'll be another connecting door. First, there's a mirror on the left. Here's the bedroom area. On the right is your bar area. So I've got ice bucket, we've got some glasses, we've got some more body lotion, facial soap, a sink area. Another mirror. Down below here is your refrigerator, and it is empty. So you can put your stuff in there, which I'll probably will do later. And nothing underneath the sink. Storage. Over here is the thermostat. Set at the coolest 68. Won't go any cooler than 68. Here's the other connecting room. So there's a connecting room over here, and there's a connecting door over there. So, party room, I guess. It's a suite. And there's a table lamp. Charging your phone there. Some dresser drawers. This is the bed. This is the king size bed. A nice little seat here. Shoes on and stuff. Oh, and also the lamps do have plugins. So this lamp has a plug-in. It also has USB. So 110 outlet and USB. There's your phone. Some more drawers. You got two seats with a little table. Yep. Here's our view. We'll get that in a second. We got a nice little table here. You can host a little party. 4 chairs there. And then a little desk area. A wing chair. Another mirror. Plenty of mirrors here in Vegas. Lamp. We got some more drawers under here. We've got 2 refrigerators. We got 2. We got one over there, and we got one over here. So we've got 2 fridges. That's different. And then we got a nice size TV. And let's get my luggage over here. And then I'll show you the view. That's the last thing we've got to see. Not much of a view. On the back part here of the Horseshoe on the 12th floor. I'll go ahead and open up the windows here. So you can see there's a Westin over there. You can see the back half of Horseshoe, parking garage. Yeah, not really a good view here in this room. So don't get this room for a view. I must like to see the mountains there in the background. But yeah, not much for a view. Anyways, that completes my room tour here at the Horseshoe Casino here in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada, 12th floor. This is 1262A. So I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. Do make sure you hit the thumbs up button, hit subscribe, and click that bell notification to be notified when I post a video like this or go live. This has been Captain Billy J without the Captain's hat, and we'll see you later in the Vegas vlogs. All right, bye for now. Hey, did you check out that video right there? Check it out right now. It's related, YouTube suggested. Check it out. Captain Billy J